Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, we are getting this E-wave as it seems. No change to the projected wave count. It continues to be the correct decision to focus here on an Elliott wave count. In the previous video we said, if it's getting a bounce, ideally here, we'd be looking at another high here in an E-wave, ideally, to then break down eventually. As long as it's staying below 1963, the expectation is to break down from this triangle in a C wave. The scenario is currently that we are in this B wave with a projected move down in a C wave to complete this wave 2 correction, and the relevant support areas are 1754, 1663 and 1533. Shouldn't be anything new, all communicated, everybody should know about this. This is the relevant support area. The current scenario is actually a very bullish one. The idea is that this was a wave 1 where we peaked on the 16th of April, coming down in a wave 2. The idea is that in this wave 2 correction, we're holding the yellow support area. Only if we get below the 1533 level, I would get more concerned about possible new bear market lows. Until then, that's nothing to worry about. We still need to consider it though. Of course, there is a bearish scenario. I'm considering lots of options. Don't necessarily show you all options in every video because it would just be overwhelming for myself as well, and I don't want to confuse people. So we focus on what we see now, which is at the moment a bullish setup that could result in a third wave rally. But before that happens, the price action to me suggests that we put down another leg down in a C wave. The correction in a wave 2 unfolds as an A wave, a B wave and a C wave. We're now in this B wave structure. Here the question is, do we get in this B wave just a triangle and come down then, or a higher B wave and come down then? They are both part of the same scenario. It's just a different way of how they work out. So let's zoom into the B wave here, and the idea currently, because that is what we can see, I had lots of different comments about, okay, it could be this, it could be that. There's no point in it could be. What should it be? And it really should only be what we see at the moment, and that's the triangle. You can talk about, there are 5 or 6 counts I can give you here. There's so much speculation about what could it be, but it doesn't help you. What you need to understand is there is a breakout point at 1963 that will invalidate this triangle. If we break above that, there's a good chance to get this higher B, which would unfold as a WXY correction into the region between 1973 and 2067. Could also go higher, yes, but in the first instance, it should reach that area. And then we have another chance to react to resistance here and to come down in the wave C. So either we break down from somewhere here, and the E-wave is currently in the making. There is no real set minimum an E-wave needs to reach, but I can tell you one thing, that a common target for an E-wave would be the 61.8 extension of the C-wave. The very first level to watch is normally the 38.2 extension. We've reached that now, as you can see here, at 1867, but the more common target would be the 61.8 extension at 1903. We're not there yet. There's also no need for it to stop there. There is no minimum. There is only a maximum for an E-wave, and the maximum is that it shouldn't go above the C-wave high, and that's at 1944. Going above the 1944 level wouldn't invalidate the triangle. It would really only be invalidated above 1963. That is when we need to consider the high B wave. Now, it could be that at any point now we're breaking down in the C wave. I had a question, could I show the direct breakdown count? Yes, the direct count or the direct breakdown scenario would unfold as follows: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it could be that a high is already in a different structure as well, and we would follow down in 5 waves. Or alternatively, if the triangle peaks here somewhere in an E wave as expected, we would start with a 5-wave move down afterwards. So we continue to need some patience. We really can only talk about a breakout of the triangle below the B wave low, and that is at 1790 pretty much, as communicated earlier. All right, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.